babies. They're hungry. Look at that. Welcome back, YouTube. I'm Antoine here with Wildlife Plus Outdoor Adventures, where wildlife and outdoor collide. I'm here with another pet shop called Highland and Tropical. I'm located in Clawson, Michigan, about a 45-minute drive outside of downtown Detroit. I don't know what's going on with the weather. I'm looking to do some outside stuff too, but we're back at another pet shop, and it's snowing in the spring, which is crazy. And I know being from Michigan, we should be used to it, but I'm not. But anywho, this is a bird and tropical fish pet shop. So I have never been here before. Let's see what they have and what you may be interested in and want to purchase and add to your collection of birds and fish. Hit that subscribe button, guys, like and share, and let's not wait any longer. Let's go inside. All right, so here's the sign here, and we're about to make our way in. This is the building. Highland Tropical is the name of the pet shop. Tropical fish, exotic birds, and lizards is what they have here. Man, it's cold. We think got this wind protection on. How you doing?
Hey, good. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello.
All right, so they got two different rooms here. Let's go through this one. Okay. Oh. Get their own personal aquarium here. And this is the aquarium stuff. So they have two locations here, as you guys can see. Fish food. So we'll start this way. And I'm going to zoom in for you guys. Give me 1 second. I was already zoomed in. These are just 49 cents. If anyone is interested, let's see, anybody in here? Nope. Oh, this guy's hiding right here. Oh, don't go away. It's just a price you guys can see it at $24. Let's see what else. Oh, he's shy. Look at this guy here underneath. I don't know if he's stuck or just snapping. And what's down here? Don't see anything. Little teeth on him. Some of these fish should be camera ready. They have fish way up here. If you guys can see that. You see that big fella cleaning the cage or the aquarium. Hmm. Hmm. Now look at this big fella here. Look at him. He's in here with these guys. Now, these must be popular fish here. Hmm. China, so you can not have a glare with this guy here. So in this particular area, some of the same fish, just different sizes. Oh, look at this guy here. This guy's just relaxing. I don't know if you guys can see that price, but it says $29.90 with $30 and two for $79. So yeah, let's go this way and work our way. There's nice size 3-inch catfish in the back. You want 99 for this guy. Just $39 for the Oscar. Just silver catfish. How you doing?
How's it going?
Pretty good. Now look at this guy here. He went right back in. He got spooked. Oh, here. Oh, there you go in the back. Look at him way back there. This big fella in the back. I am just looking around. I have a wildlife channel, so I just filming things. A wildlife channel.
Oh, that's cool.
So it's cold right now, so I'm just indoor, going to a lot of local pet shops.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, so
Awesome.
thank you. And we got a couple of reptiles here, right here. Bearded dragons. What's in here? Can't see anything. Anything in here? Not even nothing on the glass. Oh wait, no. If you look way back there, it is a crested gecko way in the back in the corner. If you could barely see it. And they have leopard geckos. Can't really see with the glass, but you could maybe see the tails. That's it over here. Oh wait, no. Some more looking right at me. So yeah, this is pretty much. Oh wait, no, it's not. We got more. I'm sorry, guys. I was about to go on the other side in a minute. And we have more. Let's see what else they have. Is that what I think it is? No, it's not. Oh, never mind. So yeah, once again, Highland Tropical. They have tropical fish and birds, which we'll get to, and a few reptiles located in Clawson, Michigan. And pack of feeder fish. Feed other fish and animals. Keep it. Let's see what they have over here that's really like neat and stand out. Look at these two pair. This fish. Larger catfish. So yeah, this is pretty much it, guys. Come check them out. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like, and share. And we're about to go over to the other section real quick to see what they have with the birds. And this will conclude our tour. How you doing? I'm just looking around filming. I have a wildlife channel on YouTube. So why it's cold, I just been going to local pet shops and filming. Thank you.
Good, yeah.
Oh, you hear the noise, don't you? Oh, he's coming over. You want to speak? Hello. Think it's food? Hello. Hello. He trying to figure out what this is. So you literally can look like right inside. Oh, look at the babies. Look at the babies. Look at the babies. They're hungry. I have never seen the babies before. They're active. Wow. Look at the babies back here. Like you could buy them. Oh, that's neat. Like I hear more, but I'm not going back there. It's a dove. You can catch those outside. Hi. Who said that? Hi. Who said that? Who's speaking? Someone's over here speaking. Oh, look at this red. Hi. Is that you? Hi. Is that you talking? Nah, you guys want to get shy. They're wondering what this is. Look, you wondering what this is? Just focusing on it. Yeah, so there you have it, guys. Oh, they got the smaller. As you can see, these guys moving fast. Nope. There you have it, guys. So hit that subscribe button, like and share, and come and check them out. Everything you need here. Thank you again. You too. Hit that subscribe button, like and share. Until next time, guys, I will see you guys later.